How to set up conversion API on Shopify store. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up conversion API for your Shopify store in the easiest and most simplest way possible, okay? So doing this is really easy. All you're going to be doing is you're going to have a proper conversion API. So for this, you're going to go ahead into your Shopify store. Obviously, it's a more meta for business thing, and that is what we're going to be using for conversion APIs. So what you're going to do is once you're in your dashboard, you're going to be going ahead and getting your meta conversion API, because for this, you're going to install the Facebook channel. So for that, go on Add Apps, go on Shopify App Store, and you're going to simply go over to the Facebook's apps channel. The Facebook apps channel can be added from here. Okay, so just write Facebook. And in the case that it doesn't have Facebook, just write it yourself. It should give you Facebook and Instagram. Okay, now, obviously they come as a whole, so you're going to go ahead and download this. And let me show you what you'll get. Obviously, once this gets installed, what you're going to do is you're going to get manual API conversion, and it's going to give you the data sharing settings that you're going to want to go ahead and add. And once we go into the actual data sharing settings, it's going to ask us the conversions API. Obviously, you're going to want to go with the maximum data sharing settings, because the maximum data sharing settings allow you the maximum amount of conversion APIs. And that is how we're going to basically, work with this to, betterment and just have a great general yield and output to this. So just click on get started. It's going to, take you to connecting your account. Once you connect your account, then you have, your business account section. So again, connect the account. It's going to take you to your business Facebook, authenticate everything. You're going to connect your business account. Once you've connected your business account, obviously go into maximum where you're going to get your APIs. And that is basically how you're going to set up conversion API with Shopify in the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all if you next time. Goodbye.